All, today I'm back with one more amazing video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can add your friends on Mini Militia. So before moving toward the video, it's request to all of you, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You just need your friend ID if you want to add your friends on Mini Militia. You can find your ID if you don't know where to find your ID. So as you can see, if I tap on my profile, this is my ID. You just need to send this ID to your friend if you want to play Mini Militia with your friend. So after that, you just need to press on this friend option. You can also add your social media friends, like you can add your friends from Facebook, so you guys can play together. So if you want to add your friend using your ID, you just need to press on the add friend button, find friend button, and you need to write down your ID here. Like in my case, I'm writing my friend ID here. Let me complete down. So I'm showing this as a demo. So you just required your friend ID if you want to add your friends on Militia, and you can paste ID here of your friend, and boom, you just need to press on add friend and you are good to go. So you can also invite your Facebook friend. You can share the link, so this link will automatically redirect your all. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Take care. Bye bye. Boom boom. Ciao.